How to add a November dump sticker to your story. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to add a November dump sticker to your story. Instagram is full of trends that people just love and want to try on their profile. One of them is the November dump. How do we do it? First of all, check if your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Instagram. If there is an update button, tap it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open Instagram. When Instagram has opened, go to the search field and find the Add Yours Extra profile. Open that profile. Select November and highlight stories. When the November story opens, simply tap on the Add Yours button below the sticker. And that's it. Now you can choose the pictures you want to post with this sticker. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.